Nongïalam jang keseng Congress support Nongïalam jang advocate Matthew Anthony, national spokesperson but national media coordinator Northeast India, nangta uba Roni Willing do Nongïalam kaliang persya kaying dorbar thawain kajila bat usaling esangma chief whip jang kaliang persya haka Sorkar bat Sanjay Das, General Secretary Meghalaya PCC, Kaba kendu bat kilat pathai kubor, kilaya thu ba hakine katto katne benai, bala dep hapok kasamoy trikam kaba jong menteri rang ba du keri India Narendra Modi, balai alam dak BJP Lashem, pakadai ka Sorkar ka babam sabtam. Kila ong baya kene kajing bam sab ansah ka khana pateng kum ka Sorkar ka bam ai kajing pisar ka bahak par kajing sinshar ka ba ai ki hok hakiru kom trikam kawai hadin kawai ya ki nong snong jangari India kila ong ba ka Congress ka khot ya kene kum kajing sinshar ka bam hok hakine ki suppose nem kila ethu ba kajing sinshar bam hok ka ba ki nong snong ka India ki mat ka dei ha ka yok ka kot ha ka imlang salang ka kam san parthe bat kajing kerdu kam kerdu jam Kila ong ba menteri rang ba du keri India Narendra Modi ula kula mi yaki kam ki jam kumba ar klor hakasisnem kum kajing kular ban syajid biang bat barwan hakabor kila ba ha kajing shisha kajing kiu kajing kertu kam kerdu jam kala long ka bala palat kila ong bakat kum kajing khen ka bala palat dang shen kajing kiu kajing kerdu kam hapdeng ki bala pendep ya graduate post graduate bat ki PhD ka long kumba lai polai 0.2% Ka Kongres kala kamru ba kajing kiu kajing kerdu kam kala poi syaka 10% hapdeng kirta ba arpho hadu apusau snem. Kita Nongïalam kila ong ba hakapol bersensyar ke Sorkar UPA kala permi kam hadu nyeu pesan lak ki kam sisnem hadu usnem arja khatar. Pat ka Sorkar BJP ka klem la bat kala permi ya ki kam ki jam tang alp kundai lak ha ka sisnem hadu usnem arja arpho ar.
I want to talk about things which the youth will understand. Unemployment. Isn't that a big issue? Isn't that an issue with the journalist community too? How many of you are regularly employed by a media company or being contractually employed where an event happens to you, you don't have the salary protection. You don't have any protection. If you don't work, you're not paid. What is the employment guarantee which you have? Because you have contractualized your entire job. Unemployment is at the all-time highest in this country. You ask all the graduates here, all the postgraduates here, all the PhDs here. There are so many people studied out from here. And they are doing coolies job. You see lakhs and crores of people applying for small 1,000 number of jobs. 44% of people between the age of 20 and 24 are unemployed. 33% of graduates, postgraduates, PhD are unemployed. Now you will ask a question, what did Congress do? On 2012, the Congress government was providing 75 lakhs jobs per year. And in 2022, BJP government is not even touching 29 lakhs per year. We are talking about absolute data. Where are the 2 crores jobs? Aren't you fooling the people? How long you will fool the people on religion and other aspects of it? How long you will ignore the realities of life?
Citizen first is our motto. We believe that our citizens need to be connected with government for faster and efficient service delivery. I am happy to announce that we are coming up with a dedicated CM helpline call center